What's up YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear hatch strut on a first or second generation Mini Cooper. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and stick around. You're going to want to watch this whole video. No matter which Mini Cooper you own, if you work on it yourself, which you probably do if you're watching this video, check out my Facebook group. It's Mini Cooper DIY. I'll leave a link to that in the description, or you can just go to Facebook and type Mini Cooper DIY in the search bar and you can find it that way. Let's get to the video. Okay, the reason I'm replacing the strut is when I open my hatch, I try to get something out of the back, and I let go, it just closes. So we're going to fix that with new struts. I'll leave a link to these struts in the description of this video. They're pretty cheap and they have really good reviews. Okay, first I'm going to open up my hatch. I'm just going to prop it open with something. I'm going to use this box. You just need to hold one side up, it doesn't matter. And what you need is a flathead screwdriver. Let me get a better shot of this. And on your strut, there's this little clip right here. You're gonna take your flathead screwdriver, put it behind the clip, and just pry it open. You don't need to take it all the way off, but if it comes off, that's fine. Then on the inside, there's another one. Pry that one out the same way. Now at this point, you should be able to just pop this off. And both sides just came off. You just pull it. Okay, to put these back on, all you're gonna do is take the side. You don't have to mess with this at all. And where you took it off from, make sure you're putting them on right, the side with the pole sticking out, and just press it on. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the process on the other side. Okay, with both of these installed, I'm going to show you how good these work. This tailgate now is actually kind of hard to close. Not too hard, you can still do it. But when you go to open it, and this is on a cold day. You know how your hatch is harder to keep it open on a cold day. It's about 40 something, mid 40s right now. So I'm very happy with these shocks. Again, there's a link to them in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please give it a thumbs down. And I'll catch you in the next video.